and welcome to Ginger Welsh Allotments. I am Bethan and I've just come back from the allotment as it's too cold and frosty to do any work. So I thought I'd show you the harvest I just done and a quick tour of what's going on in my greenhouse instead. I didn't realise how cold it was. I've got about 4 layers on and my feet are frozen and I can't feel my hands. So I better get on with this quick and go in the house and have a nice cup of tea to warm up. Here's what I brought back from the allotment. It looks a lot, but a lot of it is foliage. So I've got a sprout stalk there and some carrots at the back. A lot of leeks. I'm almost coming to the end of the leeks now. Probably 1 or 2 more harvests over there. That'll be the leeks done. I've got 4 fennel bulbs over there which are looking pretty frozen, but they should be okay to go in a soup. I think I'll make a celery, hence the celery there, or celeriac. I've got some celeriac as well. So I'll either make some fennel, celeriac and leek soup, I think, with that leftover fennel. And here's the celery I'm going to use up. With my celery, I dig up a bulb of it and bring it home, and I just chop it all up and freeze it, because I only really use it in soups and stews and curries and things. So I don't tend to eat celery fresh, so that will be fine chopped up in my freezer. So we are coming to sort of the end of a few bits and bobs over the allotment now, but I've still got plenty of parsnips and carrots and kale and sprouts over there at the moment. So hopefully I'll get over there and do a tour soon. And I've still got some squashes in there from harvest. I have checked them all and they are all okay at the moment. And then in my greenhouse I've got the onions that I showed you last time. This is some dill that I planted and I potted some on, and I didn't have room for this, so I was going to just use it as and when, but it's dried up and it's no good now, so I'll just go in my compost. In here I've got some collis and rudbeckia growing. Hopefully they'll come to something, but they are going very slowly. And over here to the side I've got some lamb's lettuce, which I harvest a couple of leaves from each plant every now and again just to have in sandwiches. And down here there's some more onions growing. My hanging baskets, I haven't got around to taking these out yet. I think these are either geraniums or pelargoniums, I'm not sure which one's which, and you're meant to sort of cut them down, but I haven't got around to doing that yet. Some more dill there, some more onions and some lettuce growing in the back, which again I just use as a cut and come again. So I'll take a couple of lettuce leaves in the house as and when I'm doing salad. And down there I've got some coriander. Right at the back is some lemongrass, and over in the tubs here we've got some more onions, and then in this big tub under here is my pots that I've cleaned, and in this smaller tub is the dahlias I've dug up. That's what I've got going on in the greenhouse at the moment. There is a bit more in there than I was planning to have over the winter. I was planning to not have much in there at all, but I ended up planting the onion seeds that I had left over from last year just to see if they would grow, and of course they did grow, so I had to pot them on. And the dill and the coriander I've more grown for saving the seed, but they are coming along really well, so I was pleased with how they're doing. And that's it for me today. I'm going in the house to warm up and sort through this harvest I've got. So all I can say about that is lovely job.